Hello guys, welcome to TechBrain. My name is Sam, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to contact the support team of the Outlook email. So first of all, we're gonna go to the Outlook app. You open it, then you want to press on the profile icon at the left corner. Here you can see the settings icon. You press on it, then you want to scroll down. And here at the more options, you can see help and feedback. You press on it. And here you can see the button Contact Outlook Mobile Support. It's especially for the Outlook app. So if you have any problems with Outlook, you can contact the support team through this method. You press on it, continue. It opens a new page. And here they're gonna ask you a couple questions to find the right answer for your problem. So it's very easy. If you have any further questions about Outlook, please let me know down below in the comments. Like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.